Hello again. Today is a very important day. I need to find an apartment. Right now, I stay in a hotel. But hotels are very expensive. Very, very expensive. My money is slowly disappearing. So today, I will try to find a home. Wish me luck. This city is still very new for me. New streets, new people, new language. Sometimes I understand, but that is part of the adventure. Where do people find apartments? Internet, maybe? But also newspapers. Yes! Maybe I should buy a newspaper. That sounds like a good plan. Hello! Do you sell newspapers?
Yes, of course.
Do they have apartment ads?
Yes, usually they do.
Great! Then I will take this one.
That is €3.
€3. Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too! Okay, step 1 complete. Now step 2. Coffee. Because apartment hunting is serious work. And serious work needs coffee. Maybe I should go into this cafe. It looks very cozy. Only a few people inside. That is good. Not too noisy. And wow! The smell of fresh pastries. It is so strong. I think my head is spinning a little. Maybe it is the smell. Or maybe I am just hungry. But coffee sounds perfect right now. Okay, Anna. Be brave. Let's go inside. Hello. Can I have a coffee, please?
Of course. Small or large?
Large. Very large. Today I need energy. And what is that?
Chocolate cheesecake.
Oh no. That looks dangerous. But okay. 1 cheesecake, please. Okay. Coffee, cake, newspaper. Perfect apartment hunting kit. Okay. Let's see. Cars, jobs, dogs. Apartments! Yes! Deposit required. Deposit. What is deposit? Maybe money before? But sometimes confusing. Are you looking for an apartment? Oh, yes. Sorry if my English is strange. I am still learning. Your English is good. Did you just move here? Yes, 2 days ago. Wow, that is brave. Or crazy, maybe both. Actually, my friend might rent her apartment soon. Really? Yes, very sunny apartment. Near here. Sunny apartment sounds amazing. Do you want her phone number? Yes, please. That would be wonderful. Okay, time to call. Phone calls in English are scary, but we will try. Hello?
Hello, Anna?
Yes, my name is Anna. Your friend gave me your number. Yes!
Are you looking for an apartment?
Yes, I am.
You can come see it today.
Today? Yes.
I will send you the address.
Yes, I can come today. Thank you very much. Okay, this is happening. I am going to see the apartment. I feel nervous, but also excited. I think this is the place. It looks nice.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Come inside.
Thank you. Oh, wow. This is very nice.
It is small but cozy.
I like cozy. Wow, The sunlight is beautiful.
Yes, it is sunny all afternoon.
Sun makes me happy.
There is not much furniture yet.
That is okay. I can buy furniture. I like decorating. The view is amazing.
Yes, many people love this view.
I can see why.
It's very special. What do you think?
Honestly, I love it. It feels like home.
Would you like to rent it?
Yes, I would love to. This is my first apartment in this city. I am very excited.
Welcome to your new home.
Thank you so much. Well, I checked out of the hotel and am already on my way to my new apartment. Okay, I moved in. There are many boxes, no furniture, but that is okay. Every home starts empty. Knock, knock. Hello, neighbor. Oh, hello. I brought pizza and coffee. You're amazing. Absolutely perfect timing. How do you like the apartment? I love it. And I already have a friend here. Welcome to the neighborhood. This pizza is very good. Yes, best pizza after moving boxes. How many boxes do you have? Too many. I think 50, maybe 100. No, just clothes. And more clothes. Ah, very important things. Yes, very important. 100? Do you have a secret library? But now I have a bigger problem. What problem? No furniture, no bed, no table, only pizza. That is not bad. Pizza furniture. Yes. Pizza table, pizza chair, pizza life. Welcome to your new home. Thank you. New city, new apartment, new friend. Good start. Wow, today was a crazy day. This morning I had no apartment. Now I have a new home. I walked around the city. I bought a newspaper. I met a new friend. I drank good coffee. And now I am here in my apartment with pizza. There are many boxes, no furniture, no bed, but that is okay. Every home starts empty, but slowly it becomes a home and adds. Thank you for watching my crazy day. Maybe tomorrow will be calmer, or maybe more crazy. We will see. Good night.